The next generation is Generation Y. They were born between 1981 and 1995. They are called Millennials because they grew up during the final years of the millennial. They also grew up surrounded by diversity in their schools, communities, and in the media. They were coached and praised for participation in school and in sports, rather than for achievement like their baby boomer parents. Millennials tend to be optimistic, eager to please authority figures, and self-reliant. On average, they are also more globally aware and appreciative of diversity than other generations. In the workplace, they value learning and growth opportunities, as well as working in teams.